Hello there, I am Luke, or an idiotic philanthropist, and we're back. We're budget cooking. This is number 4, and today we're making something a little special. Well, I wouldn't say special because, people eat this on a daily basis. And then we're gonna put the heat. We're gonna put the heat on medium for this one. What you want to do? You're gonna want to grab a cutting board. What we're making today is some tacos. What you want to do? You want to grab a knife. Just trim around the outer edge and cut around cut the beef out. Like that. 85% lean, 15% fat ground beef, between 2 and 3 pounds. Just slam it on your cooking board. What you want to do is you want to get your meat. I think we should use a bigger cutting board. In fact, that's what we're going to do. Give it you just want to slice it a little bit. Oh yeah, you hear that? It's a little frozen. It's a little bit frozen in the middle. You can have a little burn in the taco. And we're going to throw this in accordingly until the stuff is done defrosting. And this needs to be more trimmed more. It needs to be trimmed more. If you're cooking, cook with unthawed meat because this is a hassle to deal with. Your spatula and just go accordingly. Dust and defrost. While you're waiting, get out your frozen guacamole. Stuff's also frozen too. I should have done this more defrosted. What I'm gonna do is get small bowl and just dump it in as it is. Boom. I don't know how to defrost guacamole. If we have to microwave it, we're gonna have to microwave it. I think it might be good. It's still a little frozen. It won't be frosting at all. Well, it's a little defrosted. I can cut through with a little resistance. I can cut through, but there's still a little bit of resistance. Don't do it this. If you're cooking beef, if you're cooking a lot of beef, don't do that. What you want to do, you want to scoop some of the beef out so it can have at least an even cook. So scoop out some of your beef. Cook it like this. That's pretty much what you want to do, and we've been recording for 10 minutes. So this whole section has lasted for a while. Oh, it's so hot. Oh yeah, hot guac. Doesn't taste that good. So if you have to, throw it in the freezer to cool it down, but I read it doesn't come with cumin. So you want to do throw like a, I'd say that's good. Tiny bit of cumin. That might be too much cumin. Inside your guac. I could make homemade guac. I feel like that's a little bit of trouble in my opinion. You want to take your taco seasoning, it's probably too much for it. Yeah, that's already cooked, so get your strainer. Immediately dump it. But leave a little bit of grease in, if you can. Because grease has that little bit of flavor. It's good again. Turn off the heat. It's all the way brown. Yeah, 3/4 cup of water. Into your skillet. What you want to do next is, you want to grab your seasoning along with meat. Right now it's simmering, so you want to throw your seasoning in like this and add your 3/4 cups of water. Just throw this around for a little bit until everything is all dissolved and all coated. And if you don't have a cover, just simmer this with like I know. Throw a plate on top. And while you're waiting, you can just clean up your area a little bit. That. Oh God. Okay, I'm making a mess. Your half-cooked meat off the ground, and you just throw it in. Just immediately give it a little bit of spritz, and give it a tiny spritz of bleach. That's how you clean up part of your work area. I don't have any plastic wrap as of now. I'm gonna put some tinfoil in that. Tinfoil can work. Throw it in the fridge if you don't need this anymore. Dump some of the Okay, now after that small intermission, take this off and that's not. Give this a nice stir. Incorporate everything. Should be partly boiled off, so you would throw that right there. Dump it onto your plate that you got fresh. Ooh, that's your meat. That's your meat for your tacos. And and I know you're asking, Lucas, where are your tortillas for your cooking, for your tacos? What you want to do, move that and then tortillas, which are right here. And throw these aside for now. We're going to check up on our guac. It should be all nice and cold. Yep, guac all nice and cold. The guac is a it's your guac, which is right there. Cheese. We got sharp cheddar right here. We don't have any taco cheese. Mexican cheese. I don't even think we have salsa. Yeah, we don't have any salsa, so what you want to do is, take a whole onion, just because. And we could. In fact, we have. Yeah, we don't have any salsa, so dang. But we can still work with this. Someone's coming, so I'm not. So another intermission because someone came into the house, and I took the time to peel the onion. So what you want to do? You want to cut off this end right there. I'm not the best at dicing onions. I will say that. Alright, these should be your messily diced onions. Right here. So now you got all your ingredients assembled. This would have been better if we had, some lettuce and tomato, but yeah, it's just the way the ball bounces. Maybe some refried beans. What you want to do is grab your taco or tortilla. Get a spoon for your taco meat. Throw it on top like this. Put it on top like this. Make sure you have some of your homemade guac. well, not homemade, it's still holy guacamole, but it's a little homemade because you have some some cumin in there, so it's like a tiny bit homemade. Got a little bit of your cheese. Give it a little sprinkle. Here's your taco. Choose if you wanna fold it up. I don't even know how to fold tacos. So this is the best I got right here. So it's your taco. If you enjoyed watching this budget cooking video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.